What's up guys, welcome back to another video to your favorite topic, that is your top 5 coolest sneakers under rupees 10,000. I'm really sorry that this video is kind of delayed because the last one we did was I think 2 or 3 months ago, and then I honestly just forgot about it. But nevertheless, there was nothing much happening and we have to always talk about the newer releases and the newer designs, so we haven't really lost anything. So very quickly, for all the new people who are here, in this segment we talk about the sneakers under the price budget of rupees 10,000, and these sneakers are mostly from the newer drops, newer releases, newer silhouettes, newer designs, and maybe some older ones if they were previously above the price budget of 10,000 and have currently been discounted to fall under our budget. So if any of you guys are already thinking that this is going to be about the top 5 sneakers of all time under rupees 10,000, then please do not be mistaken, and I hope I have made that extremely clear. Also, before we get started with this, one small announcement: we are going to pick the winner for the second pair of Jordans that we had announced 2 videos back. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Now, without taking any more of your time, let's jump right into it. Number 5. So these are the NMD R1s in the tie and dye colorway, and these sneakers were initially for 13,995, roughly about 14,000 rupees, but are currently going on a discounted price at 9,995 only, which brings it in our budget. Nothing different in the shoe apart from the design. These are the basic NMDs with a sock-like upper. They have always been one of the most comfortable sneakers, and obviously not to miss the Boost sole. And apart from that, we have the tie and dye design, obviously, since it's the tie and dye colorway. So you can see the tie and dye on the heel of the shoe and on the inside of the shoe, along with some of it on the tongue as well. And you have this Adidas logo on the tongue and this Adidas logo on the side over here. I don't need to tell you much about the NMDs because they have been one of the best and most comfortable sneakers. So yeah, these come in at number 5 for me. Number 4. These are the Air Max 90s, obviously, like you all know, taking a look at the shoe, one of the most classics and the most comfortable sneakers from Nike at a very good price point of 9,995 only. This specific one is predominantly in white colorway with racer blue and flash of crimson on certain panels of the shoe. Comes with obviously the Air Max unit on the heel, and I don't need to say much about it again because they are one of the most comfortable sneakers from Nike, and a lot of you guys, I'm sure, love Air Maxes. So these come in at number 4. Number 3. These are the Reebok Club C 85s in a very special Kung Fu Panda version. As you can see, the shoe is heavily inspired by Kung Fu Panda with the tones of colors and the materials used on the shoe. The shoe feels extremely premium, and Club C 85 has been one of the best lifestyle sneakers for daily use. So if you're in for Reebok and you're looking for a casual lifestyle sneaker, then you should definitely consider these, because these are a special version and it will definitely look much better than the regular Club C 85s. So these sneakers retail for about 8,995, and yeah, that's at number 3 for me. So guys, before we get into the top 2, please keep in mind that I am not getting into any technicalities about every sneaker, nor am I telling you in detail about each one of them, because I'm sure most of you guys already know all the sneakers that are listed on the website and you can read about them. The whole point of this video is only to share my picks from what is available under the given budget of rupees 10,000. So that is what I am doing. So kindly do not expect any hardcore detailed reviews, because this is not what this video is about. Now let's move on to number 2. These are the Nike Blazer Mid 77 vintage in the black white colorway. Now, as far as I know, a lot of guys keep DMing me and asking me about Blazer mids and its colorways as to when do they drop and things like that. So here is one of the colorways. So this only makes it clear that these things keep dropping on Superkicks and other websites, so you have to always keep checking and looking out for them. I don't have much to say about these either because it's a very famous silhouette, and it comes in at a price of only 7,999, which is actually a steal, and definitely is a better option if you're more into the Chuck 70s, Converse and things like that. Then this definitely is a more quality and a more comfortable upgrade that you could try. So yeah, these come in at number 2 for me. Number 1. These are the Puma RS Dreamer and they retail for about 9,999 only. Now these sneakers are the Super Mario version. That means they're heavily inspired by the Super Mario Galaxy game. I'm sure everyone has played that. So as you can see, the upper is pretty much inspired by the Galaxy theme, and apart from that you really have amazing cushioning on these, and for the first time ever they come with a glow in the dark midsole. So definitely these sneakers come at number 1 for me, and if you guys do not know, then I have always been a fan of Puma. I've enjoyed all the collaborations they've had with the RS-X. I've also liked the RS-Zero if I'm not mistaken. So basically the RS line from Puma is really amazing, and this is yet another one in another form of a collaboration which is really amazing and brings back all the childhood memories. So that is the reason why it comes at number 1. So these were my picks for the top 5 coolest sneakers under rupees 10,000. And not just that, let me remind you once again, all of these sneakers are from Superkicks, and if you want to buy any of them, then you can go and visit their website and find all of them listed over there. If not, if you're from Mumbai, Delhi or Bangalore, then you could definitely visit their store and try out these sneakers before you buy them. Now before we end this video, let's quickly go ahead and pick a winner for the second pair of Jordans that we had announced. Here we are copying the link of the video that we are going to put in this comment picker website. Paste the link. Let's click the filter duplicate users option and get your comments. The comments are loading. Alright, so we have about 1087 unique comments. Let's scroll down and pick a winner for the second pair. Start. Alright, so here we have a winner. It's Hem Thakkar, and he's commented for a biohack or a varsity maze. Now let's see what I feel like getting one for him. Any which ways, congratulations Hem Thakkar. You have 24 hours to claim your prize. DM me and I will take it forward. If not, we will pick yet another winner in the next video. Congratulations once again. Alright guys, so that's all from me for today. Do let me know in the comments below which of these sneakers did you like or you did not like. And if you're watching this video till here, then please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one very soon. Peace. जितने बार भी वीडियो बनाता हूँ, जितने भी बार आज ऐसे मार लगे तो बोलते हैं you did not include this, you did not include that, you did not include that. जबकि मैंने क्लियरली बोला स्टार्टिंग में, this is not about top 5 of all time. This is about top 5 of recent releases, new sneakers, recent ones. Do you understand?